Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And this is my little pre-market watch list, kind of gauging market sentiment and see what stocks I'm gonna trade. So just off of the market sentiment, which stocks kind of line up best with the sentiment, you know what I'm saying? So looking at the US dollar, we have the CPI numbers came out, so the reaction was a sell-off, right? So we have some support here at S2, which is 12844. So maybe we might get a little pushback up, maybe to this level. Oh, let me just take off these right here. Maybe we might get a pushback up to anchored VWAP. That's the yearly anchored VWAP, the upper band line, right? So that signifies bullishness. So anything below this is getting bearish, you know what I'm saying? So if you're in an uptrend and you break below this, it's probably time to sell, you know what I mean? So with the CPI numbers coming in, I think it came in less. So I think it's good for inflation, but it's bad for the US dollar, right? So that's why the dollar had this reaction. So right now it's looking like a risk on sentiment with the dollar being weak. These hedge funds and everybody will get cheaper money from the bank, so they'll be able to buy more stocks. So let's see, go over quickly here to NQ1. So we have the NQ1 running up again to this monthly R3 level and VWAP, but I guess this is a triple top at this point, up at R3. So I'm thinking we might get a sell-off today, man. If the dollar kind of finds support and starts pushing up, we might pull back again to this R1 level, 13121. So we already see the volatility triggers came in here. Let's clear that. Those are the quantum indicators, the volatility triggers. And when those trigger, these big moves usually kind of retrace, right? Excuse me. Let's see. So with that being said, I'm thinking we probably gonna get a pullback, right? So let's see what else is going on here really quick. It's already 9:16, so I gotta get ready to trade. Let's see, let's go over to the VIX. So with the sell-off on the US dollar, the VIX is pulling back, so this is very bullish for the stock market. With the VIX dropping down like this back to support levels, this is the monthly S1 at 20.53. So if we continue moving down on the VIX, we're gonna get that bullishness in the stock market. So let's see what else. I don't think MUB is open as yet. Maybe they are. Is it moving? Nah, that's not really moving yet. But MUB is looking from since yesterday. It had that push up and we're pulling back now. So if it continues lower, we could get that bullishness in the stock market. So right now everything is looking like very risk on. I have my NZD and USD swing trades. They're very strong right now. With the US dollar selling off, these commodity pairs are taking off, right? So we got the bullishness from there. These two positions are in profit. Trying to hold on to it a little longer because we got this double bottom right here off of monthly S3 at 0.622. So everything is looking bullish. That's another risk on sentiment right there. That was NZD USD. This is AUDUSD. Same kind of setup. This one isn't as strong, but well, my entry isn't as good. Let's say it like that. But we still got the same support here at monthly S3 at 0.689. And now we're pushing up. We broke out of this level right here, so We heading into R2 right now at 0.705. So hopefully we keep pushing up right there on those commodity pairs. And the stock I'm looking at today is Disney. So I think Disney has earnings coming up. They had the same reaction as the stock market right here, with the CPI numbers, had a big push up. It's holding up nicely, has a nice little flag right there, kind of ABCD pattern, and we're pushing up again. So I'll be looking at Disney for a long, right? So risk on sentiment, looking at Disney. Let's see what else. I'll probably look at, let's see, AMD is setting up nicely as well. And let's see, Apple is looking good as well. All of these kind of trade with the stock market. Let's see, Nvidia is looking good as well. Let's take a quick look at the daily. So Nvidia has some resistance coming up ahead. Let's see who has less resistance. Apple is looking like the breakout. So Apple is the better choice right here for bullishness, right? Let's see what AMD. Yeah, so AMD and Nvidia has some resistance levels here to run into, but Apple is probably the best choice. So I'm looking at Apple and Disney. Let's go down to the 15-minute. Yeah, so Apple and Disney is my choice for today. Yeah, they're setting up the best from as far as I see. Alright, y'all, it's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.